Adventure begins where the road ends, and the Hitchfire tow hitch storage box transforms that moment into organized freedom. Built as a dual-swing, hitch-mounted container, it secures gear with rugged reliability while keeping access effortless even when loaded. Its steel construction and customizable layout make it a trusted companion for campers and explorers who demand durability. And when the journey pauses, the truth lands with weight. The Hitchfire tow hitch storage box carries its promise at $699. Imagine standing before a towering van, tools and ladders unreachable, until technology bends gravity to your will. The Razer Lift Cargo Management System is a patented, fully powered and automated solution designed to lower rooftop cargo from tall work vans and trucks. By eliminating dangerous climbs and streamlining workflow, it redefines safety and efficiency for modern tradespeople. The rhythm of innovation settles into fact, and the Razer Lift Cargo Management System commands its presence at $3,995. Every bump in the road tells a story, but the Voyager Hitch by Gen Y rewrites it with silence and control. Engineered with torsion flex technology, this hitch absorbs shock to protect cargo while offering a towing capacity of 7,000 pounds. Its versatility allows attachment of cargo carriers, bike racks, or light trailers, all supported by American-made strength. The final note strikes clean and factual. The Voyager Hitch by Gen Y stands firm between $299 and $399. The silence of the highway hides a secret. Extra space that doesn't steal from your trunk. The Towbox Alpha cargo box mounts directly to the tow ball, offering a compact yet spacious carrier tested for safety with the city crash test. Its lighter, more sustainable design uses less plastic while maintaining strength, complete with maneuvering wheels and wide openings for effortless loading. The final beat lands with precision. The Towbox Alpha cargo box holds its promise at £999 sterling. Picture a stranded electric vehicle, immovable and heavy until a single wheel changes the story. The WS roller spinner transport wheels are engineered with a rotating inner ring that allows blocked or discharged vehicles to be maneuvered safely at speeds up to 3 km per hour. Compatible with most bolt circle rims, they transform recovery operations by enabling smooth pushing or pulling across asphalt, gravel, or even grass. And in the cadence of utility, the WS roller spinner transport wheels reveal their truth with prices displayed only upon trade login. In moments when biosecurity defines survival, the Dester Mobile 500 disinfection gate rises as a fortress of hygiene. Built for rapid deployment, 2 people can set it up in 20 minutes, creating a fully automatic vehicle lock that doses disinfectant without manpower. Designed to halt the spread of animal diseases, it safeguards farms, slaughterhouses, and collection points with uncompromising precision. The closing line is stark and factual. The Dester Mobile 500 disinfection gate is available only through direct quotation, with no public price disclosed. Two-hand struggle, one tool conquers. Magnets pulling against glass with invisible strength. The Windshield. Wow Magnetic Cleaner uses paired magnets to scrub both sides of your windshield at once, cutting cleaning time in half. Designed for curved and hard-to-reach glass, it grips firmly while microfiber pads polish away streaks. The closing beat is sharp and undeniable. The Windshield Wow Magnetic Cleaner holds its value at $59. A parking space is more than asphalt. It is control, claimed and defended by steel. The PL2 parking lock device from ZK rises in 6 seconds to a height of 420 mm, blocking unauthorized vehicles with mechanical certainty. Remote control operation up to 20 meters ensures effortless command, even under harsh temperatures from -10 to +55 degrees Celsius. The rhythm ends with a factual strike. The PL2 parking lock device secures its authority at $500. The stillness of a parked trailer is never guaranteed until resistance locks into place. Shock and lock trailer Chocks, built from heavy-duty steel, anchor opposing wheels of tandem axle trailers and fifth wheels to prevent rocking and theft. Their EZ grip handle and collapsible design expand from 1.5 inches to 5.25 inches, stabilizing with super grip tire louvers. The final cadence lands with weight, shock and lock trailer. Chocks stand firm at $60. The moment you reach for your tailgate and find it blocked, the Yakima BackSwing bike rack rewrites the story with motion. This hitch accessory swings a fully loaded rack away from the vehicle, granting clear access to trunks and cargo areas. Built from durable steel with a 2-inch receiver, it supports racks carrying up to 2 bikes without compromise. The cadence closes with certainty. The Yakima BackSwing bike rack holds its place at $469. Darkness hides movement, but the NV300 Max Thermal Dash Cam sees life where headlights fail. Using dual spectrum fusion of thermal and visible imaging, it detects humans, animals, and vehicles up to 328 yards ahead. AI collision warnings and rugged IP69K protection make it a tool for safety in fog, rain, or night. The final line lands with clarity. The NV300 Max Thermal Dash Cam commands its vision at $599. A single touch ignites brilliance, flooding the road with precision beams that stretch beyond the horizon. The Steady ST2K touch light panel, a curved LED bar, blends flood and spot optics to illuminate wide shoulders and distant paths. Its design integrates seamlessly with driving lights, offering fingertip control of daytime running modes in white or amber. The rhythm fades into fact. The Steady ST2K Touch. Light panel shines at $498. The ritual of departure begins not with ignition, but with the quiet weight of luggage waiting to be placed. The Thule onto 2 Towbar cargo carrier transforms that moment, shifting storage from the roof to the Towbar with 300 liters of certified capacity tested under the city crash test. It's PFAS-free, water-resistant coating shields against dirt and rain, while the tilting frame keeps the trunk accessible even when fully loaded. The Thule onto 2 Towbar cargo carrier stands at $1,099.